Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove an image from a document on Pages using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Pages application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application. Enter to open up the Pages application. And now let's go to File, Open. This will take us to the desktop. I see document.pages. I open. And now in the previous tutorial, you did see me insert images into the Pages document. For this tutorial, we will be looking to remove an image. How do we do that? Let's just click on an image. We can right click and either replace the image, but that will still keep the image there. Replacing an image does not mean you delete the image completely. It just means that it is now replaced by another. If I click the image, we can go to the top toolbar and go to delete. This will now delete the image. If I Command Z to bring back the image, now if I click the image again, delete, this will remove the image completely from the Pages document. If I now Command S to save, if I now quit Pages, if I go to the desktop, open up document.pages, and we cannot bring the image back as it is no longer saved in memory. We would then have to locate the image, bring the image back onto the document Pages. We can now quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.